Good day, everyone. I am Nurhania M. Hajj from Group 4. So, today, what I'm going to discuss is about the measure central tendency and distribution on Excel or Microsoft Excel. So, previously, the other group have already discussed about the measure central tendency, which is the mean, median, in mood. And my co-reporter also have already discussed about the measures of distribution, which is the variance range and standard deviation. So today, I will going to discuss on how to measure this central tendency in distribution using Excel in a simple way. So in just the simple steps, we will have now the result of this different measures. So let's start. So okay, so using this Excel, we will have now the result of the measure central tendency and dispersion. And to do that, first step is of course we have to enter our data. Because with that data, how are we able to measure the central tendency or calculate measure central tendency in dispersion with the data? So take an example. If um, Today, for example, this sem I have nine subjects, and then to this nine subject I got different grades or ano. So, for example, in my first subject I got 1.50. Next subject I got um 1.1.75, and then 2.7 7 or 2.50 to 2.25, 1.25. Let's say I got oh no, hopefully, and um 1.50 again, and 1.75, and lastly 2 point. Okay. So to get the measure of the central tendency in dispersion, we have to follow some steps. So first, we have to click the data. Okay. And then we will see on the top the data analysis. But if ever that your Excel have no data analysis, just follow the step first. Click the file here, and then click option. Also, and the next is to click add-ins, and then here we will see the analysis toolpack. Just click and okay. So by just following this just step, you will see or magkakaroon ka ng data analysis here sa may taas ng PowerPoint or Excel mo. So since my laptop have already have, or my PowerPoint or my Microsoft Excel have already data analysis, just as a step. So what I'm going to select here is the descriptive statistics. Okay. Okay. So make sure na you will check this summary statistic before you are going to So here's the input range. We have to select all the data. So here, all the data here. And then the output range, where you will put your this is the result of your calculation. So here sa B2 ko nilagay. So after that, just click OK, and taran. We now have the result or the different measures of central tendency and dispersion. We have the mean, standard error, median, mood, standard deviation, simple variance, and then range in just steps. So, madalian lang siya. Hindi siya tatagal ng ilang minuto. And then, it is especially kailangan sa mga thesis, research, or anything na paggagamitan natin. So, yeah, it is very important and helpful for us by just using this Excel. Then we have easily calculate or measures or calculate or gate the measures of central tendency and dispersion. So that would be all. Thank you and God bless.